We are pleased to show you the 2022 Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, manual climate control, roof rails, cargo tray. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.